getting ready to go on my day date with my husband, and I will see each of you in the next video. Same place, same channel. Happy Sunday. We are en route, going to get something to eat. Y'all, I just filmed to get ready with me, and I had plenty of technical difficulties, and I was kind of questioning this lippy. But now that I am in the natural light, I like it with the jumpsuit. Couldn't really tell in the house under the LED lights, but I like it. At first, Chloe didn't like it, but then once I put the jumpsuit on, she said she liked it. So, all right, just wanted to drop in, say happy Sunday, and I will see you all in the future.
Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If it's oh. Waste your time, I turn it up just so I can turn you on.
Having to walk around the corner, it wasn't that bad of a walk, but still in heels. Oh my goodness. Hello.
Welcome to Morton. My dining desk before.
Thank you. No.
Okay, I will explain on the menu in just a moment. Can I get you started with water to get you going?
That's fine.
Okay. Right here I have cocktails, beer, and dessert. And then this big one is wine. Second page is by the glass. Everything else is water.
Okay. This is our first time here.
Everything been okay. They salute me so damn much every time I show up, nigga, her about face. Everything no cut, I fuck y'all up. I don't really go trip about bae. Load of heady 7 guts while you waiting.
Why are you looking like that? You don't want.
What's up? You recording me?
Right here, I went straight to it. Chicken Christopher.
I see it.
Right there.
Salad.
This is a fancy dinner menu. We used to good food. This is like upscale type menu. Sometimes it's so upscale it's not good, but I'm praying that the food is good. Why are you looking? What?
Yeah, she got me in these old uppity ass spots.
No.
Yeah.
I don't have him anywhere. Thank you, son. Our son have us in this spot, Britt. And we're now just...
I'm cool with Lucas.
You just can't take the people nowhere. Lord have mercy. Yeah.
For the whole dinner?
Just a little bit.
Right, gonna be dead no more. You got your backup.
I have my backup charger in my
That's what
phone.
I'm talking about.
This is real crazy, but I'm looking at these couples. I wonder if these the after Valentine people.
That ain't none of your business. That's on them.
I know.
That shit.
But the ones that couldn't get away on Valentine's Day, so they.
That's on them.
This our after Valentine's Day too.
We ain't ducking off. We ain't doing no ducking off. That's that shit.
I already explained to them that you had to work Friday and you work Saturday to vlog.
Ain't none of their business.
I was just letting you know you had to work.
Yeah, I had to work. I had to work.
I mean, you had
Friday
to
and
work.
Saturday.
Off on Sundays. Here we are.
What else you gonna tell about?
That ain't nothing major.
Here is bread.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
I'm gonna have to go on that top.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Let me know what you think.
Thank you.
You're very...
The shrimp good? Are you eating the bread? I don't know what kind of bread this is.
Cut that motherfucker. Shit. Find out. I don't know what's up with this butter shit though. It might be good to motherfucker.
It's the butter.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the bread might be good. See, I cook too much being this shit. I cook
Just
probably
being
too much.
yourself.
That's all I can be though.
Oh, this butter is. It's not
hot?
I mean, it's a little warm. Not what I'm used to. The bread like have I don't know, it tastes like something.
Raisin bread?
It's no raisins.
All that shit, black shit, some on that motherfucker.
No, but that's not raisins.
It's alright though.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me switch.
Excuse me. Thank you. Y'all, we done made it home. I forgot to give y'all a review when we left the restaurant, but we went to Morton Steakhouse and we did not have steak because we don't eat steak. It's been years since we have eaten steak. So we had the chicken Christopher and I had a side of au gratin potatoes and Tika had a side of cream spinach. Well, no, not cream spinach, sauteed spinach, just regular old sauteed spinach. And for starters, we had the Wagyu meatballs and what was the shrimp stuff? What was that called? It was some kind of grilled shrimp with some kind of crispy bread. I don't know. I didn't eat it. I don't eat shrimp now. Well, I do, but I don't really like it anymore. But the meatballs were good. It just needed a little salt. And when we got our food, we found that needed a little salt too. But it wasn't bad. It came with this cream sauce that kind of helped it. And then those potatoes. So I just kind of ate everything together. We did get complimentary bread. And I don't know what that taste is. It's a familiar taste to me, but I just could not think of it. But the bread was, excuse me, but the bread was good. What do you think? How do you?
It was good.
Would you go back?
Yeah.
They're expensive now, y'all. But I mean, the atmosphere, like it was gorgeous in there, as you seen. But I enjoyed it because it was a date. I got to spend time with my husband, just one-on-one time. So I enjoyed it. Well, I'm signing off. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share it. Sharing means caring. And I will see each of you in the next video. Adios.